Welcome to Embsew. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider turkey stitch. Turkey stitch is one of those techniques that can be worked into many different looks. And now, I will introduce the first way to embroider turkey stitch. Don't knot the thread, then poke your needle down into the fabric. Pull thread. Do a small stitch over the tail to securing stitch. And bring your needle back up the first position. Bring your needle down. Make a small loop. Secure it. Bring your needle up at the end of the loop. Repeat that process. Bring your needle down. Make a small loop. Secure the loops. Bring your needle down. Secure the stitch. You can also embroider this way with variation like the third way, which I will share in the back of this video. In the last stitch, bring your needle up and cut the thread. This is turkey stitch with a snip effect. Snip on the tail to sock and fluffing them up to create densely packed area of texture. Turkey stitch used to create embroidered hairstyles with longer tail of thread. You can embroider turkey stitch on the circle to make flower with snip effect. I will instruct detail in the next video. Please subscribe to watch free that video when it's published. This is the second way. Bring the needle up from the underside of the fabric, then bring the needle down. Bring the needle up on the middle position. Make a loop, then secure it at the first way. Repeat them. This is the second way. Make flowers with loop turkey stitch petals. Please subscribe to Embsew channel to watch more tutorial videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to get more views. Wish you have fun watching the videos. The turkey stitch is basically a series of thread loops or tails that are secured into place with little stitches. And this is a technique variation of the turkey stitch. But this way to make flower is not beautiful. I will introduce you the third way. That way is often used to embroider flowers. This is the third way to embroider turkey stitch. To begin, make like same the second way. However, at this step, bring the needle up on the middle. In the second way and the third way, your needle will be bring at the end of the loop, but this way, bring the needle up here. Then, make a loop. Secure the stitch. Bring the needle up on the middle. It will look better. I always use this third way to embroider 3D flowers. Even when embroidering hairs, I still like to use this way more than the above two ways. The third way, the loops are staggered. Unlike the second way, they are single loops. I will embroider these two stars in a circle in this position and this position. I will apply snap effect to the waist. The red flowers is matched with the third way. Yellow flower is done with the second way. And this last green flower is done in the four ways, combining the first and the third. I will say it in the next videos. Thank you for watching my videos.